STSim has three functions: simulate, derive, and display. I'm going to demonstrate the simulate feature in this video. To run a simulation, you click on the simulation button. A menu will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Each button corresponds to a simulation variable. Map data is one example of a simulation variable. By clicking the Map Data button, we can choose where we want to run our simulation. Similarly, we can choose from a variety of fleet and population configurations. All of these variable configurations are stored in XML files on STSim's data folder. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use the Set Defaults button to prime the simulation. An image appears on the right-hand side of the screen, depicting a small network of roads populated with orange and green dots. These signify people, orange before they've arrived and green after, and red rectangles which signify vehicles. By clicking Run, I set the simulation in motion. The red cars pick up passengers and drop them off at their respective destinations, according to previously defined operating procedures. While the simulation is running, it keeps track of various systematic efficiencies, which you can see displayed in real time on the left-hand side of the screen. The red is an abstract measure of total waste, and the green an abstract measure of the total time it takes to deliver all the passengers in a given simulation. This particular simulation runs two scenarios. In the first scenario, the cars include the stop short function in their operating procedure. This function tells the cars to stop when there are fewer passengers to pick them up than cars operating. In the second scenario, the stop short function is absent. This software was built to test behavioral interventions similar to stop short. When both scenarios are complete, STSim displays the cost of each scenario in the form of a bar graph on the bottom of the screen. Moving systems can be hard to track and understand, but software has the ability to track and aggregate moving patterns. Though it's difficult to see the difference between the first and second moving scenarios, the data displayed here is clear. In this particular scenario, the stop short function reduced the cost and time of passenger delivery.